Hey everyone, so today I'll be filming a plan with me for a week. What week is it? For week 4 of February. So from Monday 17th to Sunday 23rd. So let's take out my spread. For this week, I'm gonna keep it really minimal and simple, and I'm putting the whole week on one page. So I have my tools that I'm gonna use, the pens that I'm gonna use right now. So I have the Tombow dual brush pens in 803 and 817. I have the mile liner in pink. And then my 3 most used black pens, which are the 2 Muji pens, are 0.38, and then the Uniball Signal DX 0.38. And I have one washi that I'll be using today. So let's begin. So I already pencil lined out the things I need to write. So I'm gonna use this pink and then draw like a sweep diagonal line. Also grab a ruler, this metal ruler, and I'm gonna using this 817 and drawing a straight line through. Skip the Tuesday and then draw the line where 19 is. So each box is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 boxes. So skip another day, then move to the lot to Friday, because I'll be using both colors to draw the lines. Then I'll be using the 803 and drawing the missing lines. Put the ruler away. Then now I'm going to use my polycarbonate selectable gel ink pen in 0.38 and writing in the dates. So from 17 to 23. I do Monday starts. Monday start. You can either stamp in the dates or write in the dates, depending on how you want it. I'm just gonna write in the dates. There. And then I'm gonna put a washi tape for one of these days. Let's see where. On the days that I don't want to do much, maybe on a Tuesday. Grab some scissors. Cut out a piece. This is not sharp scissors. Someone has bigger scissors. There. I think this washi tape was from the dollar store, but not really sure. There, that's it. Now I'm gonna write in the weekdays. What pen should I use? I'll put on top. Tuesday and then Wednesday. Sometimes this pen is weird. Sometimes it has ink and sometimes it doesn't. It takes a while for the ink to go through. some of these little stars. I think these are really cute. Let's draw some here too. There. And here's the finals. Yeah, I'm keeping it really simple since I use more of my phone effects now to plan out my weeks and months and daily. You can see the setup of this video soon. And here I'm just gonna keep like simple things. I don't really write much in here as much as I do before, but I just write stuff that I need to do sometimes, or like payday, like what bills I do, stuff I could do and stuff if I don't write it here. But to be honest, I write on both my bullet journal and my planner now, so I like to write on both planners. So here's that's done. Like I said, keeping it simple. You could erase the pencil lines that I did in the beginning, and then you can put it in your bullet journal. And you're done. Thanks for watching.